High blood pressure is one of the most common health problems in the world, and according to the World Health Organization, it affects 1 in 3 adults and it's a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. The good news, however, is that high blood pressure can be treated with natural methods, from herbs and spices to dietary changes. These natural remedies can help get your blood pressure under control without relying on prescription medications. And so, in today's video, we are going to look at 5 different home remedies that can help lower your blood pressure fast. Hello lovelies, welcome back to UZL TV. I hope you guys are doing great. Before we get into these natural remedies for high blood pressure, we should understand the root cause because a problem identified is half solved. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a condition in which there is a force of blood against your artery walls that is consistently high to the point where it may eventually cause heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. High blood pressure is often treated with medications like ACE inhibitors and beta blockers like lisinopril and metoprolol. Those are often prescribed by your doctors. However, these medications come with a host of other side effects and may not be effective for everyone. Some herbs and spices, as mentioned earlier, like garlic and ginger, have been shown to help lower blood pressure. Ginger has been shown to help improve blood flow, and garlic has a beneficial effect on the endothelium cells, which is the thin membrane lining inside of the arteries. Garlic supplements are especially effective in reducing hypertension without the risk of smell or taste that can occur with raw garlic. So check out the links below for some great garlic supplements. Making some simple dietary changes can also help lower blood pressure. Changes like cutting back on sodium, eating more potassium-rich foods, and getting rid of processed foods. The DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, is an eating plan that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy. It is also low in saturated fat, cholesterol, and sodium. Studies have shown that the DASH diet can help lower blood pressure. Examples of potassium-rich foods include spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, sweet potatoes, bananas, kiwis, avocados, beetroots, lemon, salmon, and many more. These foods not only help lower blood pressure but getting rid of excess sodium in the body. They are also high in other important nutrients beneficial to your health. Getting a regular exercise is one of the best things you can do for your health. It can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise like walking, biking, and swimming for at least 3 to 5 days of the week. If you're not used to exercising, please start slowly and build up gradually. You don't want to feel like a superman or superwoman at the beginning and cause your body to go into stress mode. That would be very bad for you. Stress can hurt your health by raising your blood pressure. Therefore, learning some relaxation techniques like deep breathing and meditation can help manage stress and keep your blood pressure in check. Also, massage therapy can also relax the muscles and improve circulation, which can in turn help lower blood pressure. A study conducted on people with hypertension found that 10 minutes a day of massage therapy lowered their systolic blood pressure by an average of 3.5 points and their diastolic blood pressure by an average of 2.9 points. If massage is not for you, then try acupuncture. This ancient Chinese practice has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health conditions, and research shows that acupuncture can help lower blood pressure by stimulating the release of endorphins, which are natural painkillers that also have calming effects. It can also promote relaxation and reduce stress. Now, let's look at some home remedies for high blood pressure. Several home remedies can help lower blood pressure. One of the most popular ones you must have come across includes things like apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and lemon water. But let me share with you a simple recipe with just 3 ingredients that you may not have thought of. For this recipe, you will need cayenne pepper, hibiscus leaves, and aloe vera, and it is very simple to make. To make this home remedy, you're going to start by boiling 2 cups of water, then add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and let it steep for 10 minutes. Next, add a 1/4 cup of hibiscus leaves and let it steep for another 10 minutes. Go ahead and strain the juice. And finally, add a 1/4 cup of aloe vera juice, stir the mixture and drink up immediately. This home remedy is effective because cayenne pepper helps improve blood circulation, the hibiscus there helps relax blood vessels, and aloe vera juice lowers blood pressure. Drink this remedy once a day or on an empty stomach and you will see a difference within a few weeks. Now, if you have ulcer or some form of gastrointestinal problems, then I wouldn't recommend you drink this first thing in the morning because it might be too spicy for you. So drink this mixture once a day and you're going to see effects within a short period of time. There are many companies out there claiming to sell 100% aloe vera juice, so make sure you're buying from an authentic source. Otherwise, click the link in the description box to purchase the one I have been using and recommending to clients for over 15 years. There are so many people living with high blood pressure without even knowing it, so it is important to get checked regularly. High blood pressure can lead to more serious health problems like heart disease and stroke, so it's important to catch it early and take steps to lower your blood pressure naturally before it becomes a bigger issue. Several deficiencies in the body like magnesium, potassium, and vitamin D deficiency can also lead to high blood pressure. So if you suspect that you have any of these deficiencies, it's important to get them treated as soon as possible. You can talk to your doctor about doing a blood count test to check for these deficiencies. In subsequent videos, I will be sharing more on this topic because there is a lot to cover in one video. And so if you would not want to miss out, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and your notifications turned on. Until I come your way next time, folks, keep loving, keep serving, and keep staying positive. Bye for now.